What's up guys, Jacob here with another cool product spotlight video for you guys today. Today we're actually talking about something that goes in your shop sandblaster for your Snap-on unit. This is going to fit the YA3626 and the YA3825 Snap-on sandblaster units. What it is actually what we found in our shop was that the factory replacement nozzle that you'd get from Snap-on is very costly. It's made out of a mild hardened steel, and after about an hour of operation, as you can see here in the end of the nozzle, it actually wears out. And obviously replacing that nozzle all the time gets to be frustrating, and you don't want to be going in here changing it because you're trying to get your job done. You don't want to be, changing nozzles out all the time. So what we did is we came up with our own design. It's made out of a 4140 pre-hardened steel material. It's hardened to 52 to 55 RC. And this is going to replace your nozzle. What I'd like you guys to see is obviously this is the original one that you're going to have in your units. This is our hardened one. The original one was only in the machine for about an hour to an hour and a half each time. And our hardened one, this one, you're going to get anywhere between 4 to 6 hours. This last one, we pushed almost 6 hours out of it, and is still allowing the media to be sucked up and blasted through the nozzle. What you'll notice is these units are notorious for the actual suction to be lost because this nozzle gets too big and it can't create suction through the siphoning hole basically right here. And then in turn, you can't sandblast with it. So we came up with a solution for you guys. It's going to be a hardened nozzle replacement. I'll show you guys real quick right here what it looks like. They're really easy to change, but obviously you don't want to be changing them every day. So your nozzle that's on your unit is going to be right here. You're going to use an Allen head, loosen it up, and slide your nozzle out. Your new nozzle from us will slide in there, like so, and tighten back up your Allen screws. It's super easy, nothing crazy, just a great product that fixes this issue. Like I said, guys, this fits the YA3626 Snap-on sandblaster models and YA3825 models. We noticed this the most with this wear. Anybody that's using glass media, which is the most common media that's used most of the time. So if you're seeing this kind of an issue and you want to fix it, we have the solution for you. Super cost effective from us. It's going to be hardened, it's going to last longer, and we're going to beat the price of you-know-who right here. So this replacement nozzle can be found on our website, zzdiesel.com. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number is 800-749-0688.